Roy Park Preserve. Here's a little map. And I believe we are going... Where is... Oh, it's here. Okay, the lean-to. That's where we're going. This is where... This little 6-mile creek. That's where the waterfall is. Oh yeah, there's a picture of it right there. This place is absolutely magical. It's magical in the summer, but there's just something really special about it in the winter. Oh, wow. There's an old CJ5 over there. That's cool. Right in between those trees. Anyways, this place is awesome. Beautiful pine trees. Place is probably 25, maybe 30 minutes from Ithaca, maybe a little closer. It's very close to Cortland, New York. About 10-15 minutes from Dryden. I don't know anyone who would ever want to live in a city that doesn't have beautiful trees like this to enjoy. There's a lean-to down here. I don't know how long it's been down here, but pretty cool old lean-to. You can camp at. There's a pretty steep drop-off. Beautiful waterfall. Can't wait to see if it's frozen or not. So people come down here and either they find all these heart-shaped rocks here or they put all these heart-shaped rocks here. But it's very cool. I remember the first time I found this place, I was like, holy crap. Hey, look at that one. Little dove. Just a cool little treasure. So if you're coming down here, look for a heart-shaped rock or bring one with you and put it on this ledge. There's no such thing as bad weather, just bad gear. Put on a raincoat, put on a nice winter coat, and go out and enjoy the winter. Even though it's cold, you can see these nice frozen waterfalls. Okay, comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. Comment below if you want us to explore any more trails or anywhere else interesting around the Ithaca area. Alright, bye.